Hello everyone, good morning, welcome you all back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and you're watching my channel Mahaneet. Today we are doing the review of the all new all electric MG. This is the ZS EV 2023 model, about 16,000 kilometers. Got this about almost a year ago. Beautiful vehicle, traveled across South India, and we've done a lot of exploration both on road, off road, highways, state highways, all kinds of terrains, and it's performed well all across. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Stay tuned. So how is it to drive this car? It's very smooth, very quiet. You hardly feel you're driving the car, and the overall experience is very good. There is no grill like the Aster. This is the all electric grill which is completely closed, and the headlamps has DRL with the indicators embedded in it. This side you can see there is no indicator, so the same indicator converts into a DRL light, and there is some vents here for the airflow. And this model doesn't have ADAS, so the newer models have ADAS here, right here. Let's see what's inside. It's the same body as the Aster, so it has a big what do you call, the dicky or the boot. So the engine is missing. This is the motor, which is hardly takes any space, and the battery is placed down on the chassis below. You can't keep any luggage here. It has insulation right on top, and it's basically it shares the same body as the Aster, the ZS EV. Coming to the boot, it is I think 450 liters boot, and it comes with the charger here, which in a nice little bag they put the charger. This is the AC trickle charger. It's not the quick charger. So quick charger also comes with the car. If you have a good load in the house, about 10 to 12 kVA supply, then you can put the quick charger. I've also made the extension cord in case I'm charging it somewhere outside, which is always in the car. So it's a pretty large boot, and we can accommodate 3 to 4 bags here, and good enough for a weekend kind of travel, maybe not for a very long distance. So coming to the spare wheel, the spare wheel is down here, and I think it's the same size. It's a 215/55 R17, same as the regular tire running. We not use this at all. This is the car. That's how it looks. It has a nice rear AC. It's a very spacious. Even though I'm 5'11" and a half actually, I have plenty of leg space here when I sit in the back. And that's Jiggy, and he's going to open the sunroof. It has a very big panoramic sunroof. Has a very good view. Electrically operated panoramic sunroof. The controls are here, opening and closing, and also for the lights in the cabin. And that's how the interiors look. That's the controller for the car to drive, park, and put it in neutral. And this is the glove box, which Jiggy will just open, and it's pretty spacious glove box here. You can keep change, and also there is one more smaller box here which you can keep it's a cup holder come box. It has a small little pouch here to keep stuff. And coming to the center of the handrest with the cup holder, and this again, this seat can be split 60/40. I think this side is 60 and the left side is 40, and it can be opened, and you can access the boot right from inside. She looks on the outside. Let's just walk across. It has a green number plate, as it's all electric, non-polluting vehicle, and it's more like a crossover, not an SUV, neither a car. Very good ground clearance, plenty of ground clearance actually. You can take it across all terrains. Well, also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So in terms of the range, we have done entire South India and we've got over 400 kilometers without the AC on. Once by coming from Kodai to Kuti, we got about 450 kilometers range as we were descending from the hills, and it is regenerating. It has very good regen and the battery gets charged quickly when you're regening and on a downhill. So the range is good when you're on the hills and mountains too. On the highways with AC on, it drops quite a bit. So how does the MG perform on bad roads and off-roading? So we're just taking this to some B roads, rural area near villages, and check the road out. That's the kind of terrain we're going through. It's all pothole filled, single lane roads, and the car is performing really good. It's like takes you through all the potholes very smooth. Suspension is very good compared to any of the top cars. Very sturdy and stable and soft suspension. It doesn't bottom out at all anywhere. That was a big ditch we just passed through, and we have a slight off-road section coming up ahead. So let's see how that goes. So this is a slight off-road section, and the car is still stable and it's taking the terrain very nicely. So one negative point which I felt with the car is the AC is a bit loud. Even though the car is quiet, the AC makes a lot of noise. Otherwise, I don't see too many negatives about this car. It's overall a great package, worth buying. You'll save a lot of money with the electric motor. I really don't have to put petrol, diesel, or even service it. There's no oil change, coolant, nothing. It's just the wear and tear is the brakes, the brake pads, and stuff related to braking only. No other maintenance comes with the car. This car has a panoramic sunroof along with the moonroof. The complete roof opens up, sunroof and moonroof, so you can see the split roof with a beautiful view of the top. So entire car feels very airy and a lot of light air comes through. So the ground clearance on the ZS EV is 177 mm. It's slightly lesser than the Tata Nexon EV, and the top speed we have done is about 175. I think it does 180 easily. Company claims I think 170. We've passed 170. So always don't forget to wear your seat belts while driving the car. So that's how the dash looks. So it has a voice enabled infotainment system with a 7-inch screen. I think this is.
Today's weather is cloudy, 25.6 degrees Celsius in Vietera.
And it has 3 different modes. The Eco, which right now it's the range is showing 286, and normal is 273, and in sports it has 245. So the infotainment system has a lot of information with the battery percentage, the temperature, the AC controls, whatever the other things it has, and the dash also has a lot of information. It can be toggled, sorry. So the brightness levels, the battery, how it's managed, the odo kilometers, and it has a tire pressure monitoring system also, and the battery voltage. One side is the power of the vehicle, how it's taken, and other side is the kilometers. So we have the motor speed which could take up, should go up to I think 12. After 11 it redlines. So that's the motor speed. Then that's the dash. So it shows like an RPM on the right, which the power consumed by the car. So when you accelerate, it can go up to 100% power, or it can go to minus 19 also. I think minus 21 also it's gone, comes very rarely. And of course the kilometers per hour. Right now, whenever it's in minus, it regenerates the battery. So overall, it's a very good car. This MG ZS EV, fun to drive in city and on the highway. Very smooth and easy to maneuver. Very responsive. The steering, the acceleration, the braking, everything is very responsive. It's a good package for city as well as touring. In traffic, as you can see, this is bumper to bumper traffic, and we are on eco mode, and it's still very smooth, no jerks. It doesn't feel like a petrol or a diesel engine at all. You can hardly feel anything from the engine, the motor, the electric motor. It's almost like dead quiet in the cabin. And no vibrations at all, absolutely no vibrations. So when you buy the car, they give this unit. This is the AC slow charging at home. We have upgraded the power to 7.5 kVA, so it gives 7.5 kVA of slow charging. So let's see how much time it takes for charge. This is the charging point. That's how you open it. And they give you the entire cable system for charge. You're supposed to scan this and then put it for charge. It is wet. So now it's charging. The light is showing green, and you can see the charge lights here glowing green. So charge is low. It's less. This up to here is 50%, and above this is 75 and 100%. So right now it's less than 50%. Let's see how much time it takes for a charge. So it's showing about 4 hours 90 minutes for a full charge. This is at home on the DC slow charging. You have AC fast charging stations which take about 15 to 30 minutes. I've seen 60 kVA, 40 kVA. It takes hardly half an hour for a full charge. When you're up down to like 20-30%, you can do a full charge in 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how many kVA of supply they have. So the charging is not a big issue with EV cars. So for more such reviews, stay tuned to my channel, and do give a thumbs up if you do like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like this. See you around very soon on the next one. It's sayonara, adios, and goodbye. We'll do a quick acceleration test. Check this. We've got a straight long highway on the 170. That's a top speed, I think.